Some baby products, nice to have, others completely change your daily routine. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro baby bottle washer, sterilizer and dryer claims to be one of those products. Instead of spending your evenings washing bottles by hand, it promises to automatically wash, stream, sterilize, dry and store your baby's bottles and pump parts all with just a few button presses. But can it really save you time, or is it just another expensive baby gadget? In this review, we will look at its features, real parent experiences, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth buying in 2026. Let's get started. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro is more than just a bottle sterilizer. It's an all-in-one machine designed to wash, steam, sterilize, dry, and store baby bottles, pump parts, pacifiers, teethers, sippy cups, and other feeding accessories. Its dual-layer rack is compatible with many popular bottle brands and even sports wearable breast pump parts, making it a practical choice for pumping moms. Momcozy includes 60 official cleaning tablets, a 1-year warranty, and a compact control panel that's simple enough to use with just a couple of button presses. If your goal is to spend less time at the sink and more time with your baby, this machine is built with exactly that in mind. Cleaning performance is where the KleanPal Pro really stands out. It uses 26 powerful spray jets that clean bottles from multiple angles. 12 directional jets scrub the inside of each bottle, while additional swirling jets clean the outside, helping remove milk residue without the need for contact hand scrubbing. The washer offers 9 cleaning mode combinations, so you can choose the cycle that best fits your schedule. If you are in a hurry, the quick wash finishes in just 19 minutes. For a deeper clean, you can select normal wash or combine washing with steam sterilizing, drying, and storage. After cleaning, the machine uses steam sterilization to create a hygienic feeding environment before switching to hot air drying, so bottles come out ready to use without sitting on a drying rack. One of the most favorite features is the 72-hour storage mode. Thanks to the built-in medical grade H13 HEPA filter, the airflow is filtered to help reduce airborne particles while keeping bottles clean and dry inside the machine. Another thoughtful feature is the safety system. If you open the lid during a cycle, the washer automatically pauses and resumes once the lid is securely closed, making it convenient if you forget to add a bottle. Customer feedback for the KleanPal Pro has been overwhelmingly positive. Many parents say this is the one baby product they wish they had bought sooner. Instead of spending half an hour washing bottles after every feeding, they simply load the machine, press start, and spend that extra time with their baby. Parents also report excellent cleaning results. Bottles, pump parts, pacifiers, and even sippy cups come out clean, dry, and ready to use. Several reviewers mentioned fitting multiple bottles and a complete set of pump parts into one load, making daily cleaning much easier. Another feature that parents really appreciate is the direct drain hose. Since it empties into the sink automatically, there's less mess and very little effort after each cycle. Many users also found maintenance surprisingly simple. Regular cleaning and occasional descaling with white vinegar help keep the machine running smoothly even when using tap water. Of course, no product is perfect. The KleanPal Pro does take up a fair amount of counter space, so it's something to consider if your kitchen is small. For bottles with heavily dried milk, some parents still recommend giving them a quick rinse before placing them inside for the best cleaning result. Like most bottle washer, regular maintenance is important to prevent mineral buildup and maintain performance over time. Finally, this model operates on 120-volt power, so international buyers should always check voltage compatibility before ordering. After looking at its features and real customer experiences, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro baby bottle washer, sterilizer, and dryer earns its reputation as one of the top all-in-one bottle washer available in 2026. Its strong cleaning performance, steam sterilization, hot air drying, 72 or HEPA filter storage, and user-friendly design can save busy parents hours every week. While it does require some counter space and routine maintenance, the convenience it offers make it a worthwhile investment for many families, especially those who bottle feed or pump every day. If you'd like to check the latest price or see if there are any discount, you will find my affiliate link in the description below. I've also reviewed the Espyfi Security S1 and the NCI baby bottle washer. So if you are comparing different models, be sure to check out those reviews as well. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment which would you choose, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro, Espyfi Security S1, or NCI. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review. Bye bye.